Hey guys, it's the aftermath of the business after hours grand opening ribbon cutting. Everything's done now. I'm here by myself, and we just got everything cleaned up, and I took a couple of clips of the thing. I didn't spend a whole lot of time taking videos because I was just busy doing all kinds of things, but I'll show a couple of clips. I have some friends, I think, that took some video footage of the actual ribbon cutting. I'll try to cut a little bit of things together so I can show that to you. Here's how that went. We got a few projects done around the shop. The biggest thing was getting the floors cleaned. The floors just had a ton of dust and grime all over them. And I finally got a chance to really deep sweep the place and mop the place. I emptied out the dirty mop bucket like 7 times. It's just a lot of space. It reminded me of high school when I used to work at Winn-Dixie and I would have to mop the floors at the grocery store. So cleaning that was important. We did get a restroom sign. Let me just show you what else we did. Check it out. We did a little floor graphic right here. It's an 8-foot floor graphic of Mr. Postman. I know. We did it in white. It's gonna show a lot of dirt and grime. We're gonna have to clean it all the time. But I really just wanted to get it up in front and ready for the grand opening. We had a fun time putting some floor graphic around the guillotine cutter. Employees only, crushing hazard, electrical hazard, dismemberment, death. There's a lot of ways that this thing can kill you. So we had a good time with that. The DNS is hitting me hard, y'all. We do have some more equipment that's coming. We have a couple more printers that are coming. And today, MBM Corporation came and installed our brand new, let me show you, 508A automatic folder, MBM. This thing is so cool. Those are all the different folds that this thing will do. And it does it so fast and so automatically. It recognizes the size, you can make adjustments, and holy cow, no more spending hours folding letters by hand and stuffing them. Thank God. Got a little graphic for the restroom on the door. And we got a lot of client projects done to boot. So overall, it was a great day at Mr. Postman Print Shop. The grand opening is over. The great thing about it is it forced me to get a lot of projects done. I didn't do a grand opening at our first location. I didn't do one at our second one. I'm glad I did it here. It's done, it's over with. And now we can move on and focus on making some money. So anyways, I'm gonna get into the new printers that are coming because they might be here tomorrow. So it's gonna get a little crazy around here. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Stay tuned for the updates on what else we've acquired and what we're bringing into the business. And I appreciate you tuning in. Subscribe if you haven't. Come on, y'all, you could subscribe. You could like my video. Just like it. It's not that hard. The little thumbs up thing, it just makes things so much better. Thank you for tuning in. I'll see you next time. Later, guys.